Jacksonville, Florida, on May 4th, 2026, in the very late evening. 33-year-old Brandon Kaphers kicked in the front door of a townhome on Rigel Road. The homeowner reported Kaphers was armed with a weapon when they called 911. Minutes later, Kaphers kicked in the front door of another townhome, went upstairs and pointed a gun at a resident in her bedroom. The victim then called 911. Immediately after, Kaphers kicked in the front door of a third and fourth townhome on Rigel Road. Officers with the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office responded to Rigel Road for the multiple armed burglaries.
Man, y'all playing with me, man.
Yo, what the fuck? Oh, hell no. This is him right here. This is him right here.
Put them good.
Shots fired, shots fired.
Hey, hold here, hold here. Hey, hold on. Oh, hey, stop right there. Gooden, stop right there.
Slow down.
Alrighty. Now, right now, Gooden, you stay right there. Shift up just a little bit for an L shape. Alrighty. Comayagua, myself. Who is this? AJ? Vazquez. We're gonna push up. Hey, somebody grab a med kit.
I got it.
Hey, we're gonna push up. Gooden, just make sure stay in that L shape. Stay in the L shape. Hey, push up, push up, push up.
Where's the gun?
Where's the gun at?
Right there. Right there.
All right. Hey, AJ, you go. I mean, you, Ski, go hands on. Go hands on.
Pull him away from the gun. Pull him away from the gun.
Come on. This way. This way. This way. This way.
Good.
All right. Cuff him. Cuff him. Cuff him.
Give me a fucking hand.
Shots fired. We need to clear this house. Did he come out of this house?
He was by the house. They were in there.
Front door is wide open. We got clear.
Hey, where's the med kit? Med kit.
Hands up. Throw your hands. You can't empty.
In the front. Looks like some in the leg too. Cut him off.